أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today is my second lecture about the alphabets of Pashto language. Uh, Today I would like to teach you how to use the keyboards while writing the Pashto alphabets. So in this case I am using Windows 10. If you click over here with the clock and the calendar, you would see by default English language. Now I suppose that you have installed the keyboard Pashto Pakistan or Pashto Afghanistan. One of them is perfect for you to be used over here, and if you don't have these languages, then simply go to the control panel. From there, go to the clock region, and from there you can have the Pashto keyboard from over here. I hope you are getting my point. So anyhow, let's go to the actual topic. Now I'm using the keyboard without using the shift key, and the first button is Q. So let's see what is the compatible keyword and Pashto of this keyboard. Let's press the keyboard for Q. Sorry, let's go to change the English language by default to the Pashto keyboard, and now it would write down equivalent word or equivalent alphabet for the Q. So Q is equal to Zwa, press W, Swad, E for Sa, Se, R for Paf, T for Fi, Y for Ghain, U for Ain, space, I for He, O for He, P for Ha or He. The square bracket button is equivalent to GM, and the square bracket closing, the closing square bracket is equal to Chi. Enter. A for Sheen, space, S for Seen, D for Ye, F for B, G for Lam, H for Alif, J for T, K for Noon, L for Meme. Double dot is equal to Kaf, double apostrophe is equal to, or comma is equal to Golf. Enter and press the Z button. Z is equal to Zwa, X for Twa, C for Z, V for Re, B for Zal, N for Dal, M for Re. And the smaller symbol is without shift button, it is equal to Wow. Greater symbol is equal to Gaf or Khim, and the question mark is looking like this. Now I would like to use the keyboard with shift button. The first one was the keyboard without using the shift button. So let's see. Again press shift with Q. Sorry, change the language from English to Pashto, and now press the shift with Q. It would result in this symbol. space, shift with W, shift with E, shift with R, shift with T, shift with Y, shift with U, shift with I, shud, shift with O. So it is Zwim. Shift with O results in the Zwim. Shift with P results in the C. Shift with the opening square bracket. Shift with the closing square bracket. Shift with the slash. Again enter. Shift with A. Khim. Shift with S. Ye. Shift with D. Ye. Shift with F. P. Shift with G. Shift with G. Alif. Hamza. Shift with H. Alif mat A. Shift with J. T. Shift with K. Noon. Shift with L. Ta. T. Shift with Lam. T. Shift with semicolon. Sorry. Shift with double apostrophe. Enter. Shift with Z. Ye. Shift with X. Shift with C. Z. J. Shift with V. Hamza. Shift with B. No effect. Space. Shift with N. Dal. Shift with M. Wow. Shift with smaller symbol. Shift with greater symbol. And shift with the question mark. So this is how the keyboard can be used for writing the Pashto alphabets. I hope you got my point. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much.